what is up everybody? Thank you so much for watching my another camping vlog today. So it's about 9:30 in the morning right now. I've just done packing all the camping stuff. So I'm heading towards Lata Beringin at Hulu Langat for 2 days 1 night camping. So we have pre-booked the campsite. So let's go ahead and stay with me for the journey today. To be very honest, in the month of September itself, right, I have been camping almost every weekend. So from first weekend and then at least for last weekend, which was on the 19th or 20th, I have not actually camped because I think Hill was taking a rest. So today is like 21st, Tuesday. So we'll be going camping and come back tomorrow on 22nd. It's on a weekday, so we hope that it's not that crowded. The weather is doing very well today, so I'm very excited for my camping today with Eddie and also Irene, his wife. So we will be heading towards Hulu Langat. It's about 1 hour drive from Klang. From Damansara, I think it takes about 40 minutes. So we will be meeting up at Hulu Langat before entering the campsite to just prep some of the things that we think we might miss out. Then we set up the camp, set up the tops, and then also get cooking, enjoy the waterfall from there. Just remember to stay tuned and I will actually just walk you throughout the video. Alright guys, after 40 minutes drive, I think I've just arrived in Hulu Langat. This is how Hulu Langat looks like. It's a village style, sorry. I'll be arriving at campsite. I think Eddie and Irene just started their journey. They will take about 30 to 40 minutes. So I will just roam around to see what I can get and then we can go into the campsite. Alright guys, you know that you arrive at the location when you just take the road all the way until the end, right? So you see it's Myvi by the river, Pagal, all the campsites are here, so just enter. So the roads will be a bit off-road, so just drive slow and careful while you're going in. So this is how the road is going to be. So it's very muddy, so just careful. Alright, I'm checking the site first to see how to actually get here. But from the first look, it looks beautiful. So this is Myvi by the river. Because it's weekday, so it's not that crowded. So you can see there's glamping over there. I'm on the way driving, so I really don't think my Myvi will be more adventurous than this lah right now because the road is off-road, so I got scratch of my car, the bottom of my car from some few rocks. Those are big rocks, I cannot avoid them. So yeah, I finally made it to the road where I tracked just now and it's flat, right? So it's easier, it should be easier for me to go up. Over here, this is the entrance. You come in, just a little bit steep, walk all the way up. Then this is the counter for registration. So because now it's still in COVID time, so don't forget to scan MySejahtera every time you come here. Okay. Okay, we have reached our campsite. This one, 7 and 8. Waterfall at the back, you can't see it yet, later I'll show you. We are packing our stuff, then we will just do a time lapse of it, okay? So we have arrived at Lata Beringin, Sungai Resam. This is the entrance to the campsite, right? So let me bring it down. So over here there are few campsites lah. So this is number 7, this is number 8. The toilet is just right here. And then take a walk over here. You have campsite number 6, campsite number 5, campsite number 4 if I'm not wrong. Then there's another one over here, and this is where you get the waterfall view, right? And then inside here also you have some other camps, but because got people inside, so I won't be going in. But it's more or less like this, so it's quite good. To share a little, Lata Beringin is actually a private property. That means there are people who are managing this place, so they actually charge you for cleaning and some other fees like entrance or to pay for rent for a site, right? So just remember to take good care of the environment. So over here they also prepare surau for Muslims who wants to perform their prayers with ease. Then there's no worries because there's place for wudu, and they even prepare sajadah, lights, curtains for you to close it, right? So down there's another campsite number 12, right? This is the view from another side for surau. So if you look up, this is how beautiful it is. And next we also have Tapak Pondok over here. So basically if you look, it's just right underneath a tree. So campsite 26, 25, all the way along. Those that you see is flat, those are campsites for you, right? So remember to come here, you always need to make booking in advance. You cannot just walk in. Walking can, but really depends on your luck. So down here also, 2 different campsites. So taking a brick walk from here, camp 5, 6, just walk all the way to the end. There's another campsite over here, right? So this is the waterfall where you can actually go. I'll be showing some drone footage over here. This is what you'll be getting, correct?
Maybe malam.
Yo, what's up guys? It's 2 o'clock and it's raining.
What's up?
Yo, good morning everybody. On the way to the waterfall. Alright guys, so we are leaving Lata Beringin already right now. So you can see the road is actually very rocky. So just make sure you go slow and steady. You should be good. Alright, we finally made it down below. It's quite a journey, but you see lots of cars at the side as well. But just go slow and you should be fine, and don't forget to just wash your car and check the balancing if you want to go far. Alright, so after that whole long road of bulky and rocky road, we finally made it back to the normal tarred road.